we are here at the Chase Bank. We've got this elevator with armor. Look at this cab. Fortunately, the buttons are replaced inside, so send it down to B. Three.
Interesting shape.
It's like a house. It's the house elevator.
It's got the original indicator. Original call.
And of course, Jared had to push both buttons like he always does.